Live streaming is on.
Yeah, that's right. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Nice to see you again. Today is Sunday, 27. Is it 27? Yes, it's 27. 27 of October.
Yeah, today 27th October, and we have a lot of news. Uh, yeah, as usual, good morning, everyone, and Mr. Nicholas. Bitcoin price,
67,000.
what? Yeah, 67,200. Yeah, but what's happening with the ETH? Uh, last uh, last week is
Why?
Yeah, I also don't know. It's compared with last week is go down 6.26%, and if we compare last week, last Sunday, um, Bitcoin is slightly hanging around at the same level. Yeah. But the incident happened maybe a few days ago. We see Bitcoin. Let me show. Uh, we see the Bitcoin price uh, going from last week is the high is 69,300, and it's meet the resistance level 70,000, and it's on the way go more up to 70,000. Yeah. I still remember a few weeks ago, Bitcoin price around 59, right? And now it's try to uh, go around 69. Yeah, it's hard to break the 69 level, 69,000 level. Yeah, and then we have the instant market here around. There's a news about the uh, that is the information we found is the U.S. investigation into Tether under the crypto market. Yeah, it look like fake news. Yeah, it's a fake news because Tether is one of the biggest stablecoin company. You may know the USDT,
Yes.
and now U.S. Investigation Tether investigation USDT and make the people afraid that sell the crypto and buy the USDT. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah, so that's
Maybe perhaps the the government is thinking, oh, since we do not want to openly accept crypto, let's buy USDT.
yeah,
Or let's
that's
do something to USDT so that we can buy in at a large amount.
yeah. Because maybe the USDT they have the largest amount of share in the crypto market, like the um, the 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 total cap market of USDT now is around 18 billion. So
basically,
yeah,
basically the way I look at it is USDT is like the main stable coin to go to for
yeah,
people to switch to
yeah,
buy in or buy out other coins as well.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so
right.
it is like a in a physical world there's this US dollar, and
Yeah,
US dollar people think of they want to calculate something, they calculate in US dollar. So over here in the crypto world, people calculate things using USDT kind of thing, you know.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's that means it's not totally the first. It's the way for the big uh, media company try when they want to get the cheap price, they make the fake news. The CEO of USDT Tether said, as we told to the Wall Street Journal, there is no indication that Tether is under investigation, and Wall Street Journal is regulating all noise. Full stop.
And they're like, okay, this sound is disappearing, so let's make the same noise again, you know.
Yeah, that's correct. Maybe that's correct, and when the first coming, some of the official institution in the US reveal is purchase Bitcoin. Yeah. This information about Emory University, the private research institution based in Alaska, yeah, disclosed that it's owned approximately 2.7 million grayscale Bitcoin mini because at this time the the Bitcoin spot ETF have the inflow a lot. Let me go to the far side. Far side we see the Bitcoin's inflow of the Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, last week on we see the on last week on the Friday is the last day of the weekly trading. We have the 402 million Bitcoin inflow the market. Yeah, we see that is the last amount. And on Thursday, we have 188 million inflow the market. Yeah, and in here we see the BlackRock the scale on the market of the Bitcoin spot ETF when they have the inflow a large amount. Is the totally now we see nearly 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 500 million on two day of the last week. Yeah, it's the last amount. That's why we see that maybe sometime there's some further news, and we also see it's also happening on the Friday. Yeah, Friday the stock market don't open and only the crypto markets trading. Yeah, at this time the first news will come out and dump the market so some of the trader they can buy it when some of the trader from in the traditional market it's hard for them to doing that. Yeah. Okay, so we go back some of the article, the news I I get because the title of our live stream today is Bitcoin bullion persist, yeah, and analysts forecast 100 million, yeah, ATS on December, yeah. Uh, and this information I got from the capital Fabi, yeah. Let me go to his Bitcoin bullion, Bitcoin here, yeah. This news come from People New Zealand, and we got this from here. And on the Twitter, we see this article I saw because showing sign potential rally, and then uh, the in the this the in the this of capital Fabi, he said that BTC Pool are struggling to clear the 68,000 resistance, and it's must break to open the door to 100,000. Yeah. Its potential. And when the price go down, have the correction like this is a time, it's a chance for some of the people can accumulate more and more crypto when it's go up to the next level because we have one more week on the president election in
Yeah.
US, and then we will see how. Yeah,
You,
no
you,
one
you-
can tell the
yeah.
future.
When Mr. Richard mentioned something about the U.S. election,
Yeah,
this is one thing I would like to highlight. It's an interesting news. It says Bitcoin price may reach 125,000 if Trump wins.
yeah,
This is according to Standard Chartered analysts, right?
yeah.
It's
yeah,
interesting headline article headline of this article here. Yeah, so it's almost like telling the whole world, okay, Trump must win.
yeah,
Yeah. So this Standard Chartered Bank analyst by the name Geoff Kendrick, he predict that the BTC would climb to 125 by end of the year. End of the year is like what we 2 months in 2 months time. Okay, so
yeah,
election is 5th of November, which is like what next week or the week after next.
yeah,
So in less than 2 months, it's supposed to climb to 125,000. Do I think it's possible? I think there is some possibility because uh, even if it may not hit 125, it may hit well way above 70,000 if things were to go according to his prediction.
yeah,
Yeah, because what we have seen in the last few years is that uh, uh, a few years ago, when BTC was only a few thousand,
yeah,
it's very hard for people to imagine that it will break 20,000 again. And after it break 20,000 again,
yeah,
it's very hard for people to imagine that you'll go to 50,000. So we are now at a point where, okay, so if it breaks 70,000, is it possible to hit 125,000? In our current mind,
yeah,
we won't be able to understand or won't be able to believe, oh, it's possible to hit 125,000. But who knows? Who knows, man? Mr.
yeah.
Richard, what do you think? Who knows, huh?
Yeah, that's no one can tell the
Yeah.
future. Yeah, but we can based on the data in the last in from the history, and then we can predict. We say predict how far can Bitcoin can fly up. Yeah, if we see from the past, yeah, if compared 4 years ago when you and I we do the live stream discuss about the market, yeah, at that time we also share information, tell something about uh, uh, the president election in US, and then 8 years ago also president election in the US too. Yeah, we also discussed how far can Bitcoin go down. I still remember at this time Bitcoin price around 19,000. Yeah, 13,000. I still remember 13,000. But before the halving is Bitcoin price around 5,000. Yeah, no one can imagine Bitcoin can go to the to that level. Yeah, because we have a lot of we we have a lot of information to explain why the Bitcoin price can go up skyrocket like this. Yeah. Uh, now we see Fed cut rate. Yeah, and uh, the second is Bitcoin halving. Yeah. After the Bitcoin halving 8 months to 11 months before we see how far can Bitcoin go up. Yeah, and next one is the president election. Yeah, it depends on the owner of the White House. Yeah, if he love Bitcoin, okay, good for all. If he want to, if he doesn't love Bitcoin, like the owner of the White House, choose tighten the regulation on crypto and Bitcoin. It's also good for crypto and Bitcoin because nowadays, slowly and slowly, some of the big, uh, f- uh, uh, big institutional, like just now, I share is one of the company, some of the company accumulate more and more Bitcoin, more and more crypto because, yeah, because they know that that is the way for them to hack the inflation nowadays.
Yes.
Now you open the chart, you see the how far of the gold price, yeah, and some of the company choose to invest into gold because they know that gold is maybe much better than fiat because some of the company can bring down the fiat, yeah, and make the inflation. With the gold is impossible for them to do that. And Bitcoin also may be similar, but in the digital version. Yeah, that's way people thinking about this, and let's to digest, and uh, we can imagine how far it can go. But
Yes.
at this level, the target on is 70,000. It can break the previous ATS. Yeah, it can reach. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas.
Oh yeah, I'm just agreeing to what you say. Yeah.
Yeah, and then the next one is I have this one. Bitcoin won't defend the key level despite the Wall Street Journal first is BTCI 7. Yeah, this information is sharing to us to say that just now is a first few days ago is the first from Wall Street Journal. Yeah, uh, we think that so, some major media company in US is under control by yeah, but we also can say that it's under control by hidden person. Yeah, and when they want to make a first, why they want to make a first? Yeah, they want to buy the cheap price. Yeah, when you have something, you the other one to buy from you with a cheap price, they will make something first, something say, oh, that's one, this one is not nice, it's not suitable for you, so you can uh, drop it immediately or sell it to the other with a cheap price. Yeah, that's one of some of the basically explanation. Yeah, so it's depend on the people to digest the information. Yeah.
Yes.
uh,
So the key to understanding or absorbing this information is sometimes, personally for me, if I
yeah,
feel that they are writing too much to make us to make people fear too much, then
yeah,
I think I'll just skip the article and read something else. You know, yeah.
yeah,
So because out in the market there are always two group of people, two group of journalists or
yeah,
writers, so to speak. So one group they support A, the other group they support B. So those who support A, they'll write so much good thing about A and say so much bad thing about B. So those who don't support B, I mean those who support B, they'll write not nice things about A, and then to make themselves sound good as well. So so in the financial market, in the media industry, there are
yeah,
these two group of people where it's very much like what we see in real life right now. For the last many years, we see a group of media that's supporting Donald Trump, and then there's another group of media that's supporting the DNC side. You know, so
yeah,
they write all sort of things to put the other person down. They'll write all sort of things to make themselves sound holy and good, you know. But at the end of the day, it's up to us readers. It's up to us general public to understand where they are coming from. So if we understand why these people are saying such things to Bitcoin, then it is not too difficult for us to understand that okay, this one is FUD, you know, or
yeah,
this one is good information. So we digest this kind of information and then we make our own judgment from there. Yeah.
yeah. And then back to some of the thing I want to make you feel a little bit relaxing because I found this information from the internet. Yeah, it's compared with the two people. Yeah, one is we also can say it's a PPC and the other is the macro strategy stock. Yeah, and
Mhm.
then because at this time some people surprised why the stock of micro strategies go up a lot, x 10 times, 10 to 100 times. if compared with the last few years. Yeah, and then uh, we we know that because the company they invest they accumulate they keep buying more and more crypto, um, more and more Bitcoin from the Bitcoin price 40,000. Yeah, and then now it's totally different. And now we see Bitcoin price more than 40,000. Yeah, we that's is the thing I want to share to you, and we also have so many things up today, but actually it's totally going around as Bitcoin price break this level and that level, and ah, we have the news about the Microsoft set to vote on the Bitcoin. Yeah, uh, we uh, we uh, we see on the Microsoft uh, they uh, they have the meeting with the shareholder to vote if the company keep buying Bitcoin like MicroStrategy. Yeah, this information was interested in. Yeah, and we there's a news from the this one is coming from Cointelegraph. That this information is digest is a collection of all the news last week from 20 to 26. Yeah, let me go through this for you first. Uh, Peter Todd forced into hiding after HBO, the documentary movie, claimed he's the Satoshi Nakamoto. He's the invented Bitcoin Canadian cryptographer. Yeah, but he denied his Satoshi. Yeah, this is uh, this is some of the news. I also think that because um, if Satoshi Nakamoto is still anonymous, it's also good for the crypto market, and it's maybe not the person still living in the real life because it maybe make a first another first document this document movie is still maybe have some mistake inside. Yeah. And some of the news, oh, we have a lot of Microsoft shareholder was both the firm look into the investing in crypto and Bitcoin. The hacker behind the fake Bitcoin ETF, Xbox, let's not guilty. Bitfinex wallet hack returned most of the 20 million back to US government. Uh, Homeowner lawsuit over 170,000 crypto theft rejected on the bill. Yeah. Winner loser most memory. Um, this is some of the. Let me go through. Yeah. Uh, First of the week, there the crypto scammer below stolen fund. Yeah. Lazarus. Oh, this some of the news. It look like not interested in. Yeah. Okay, and this week still look like the if compare Bitcoin price hanging around this level. Yeah, this week is not quite interested in for crypto, but we hope next week is uh, we are going to the last day of October, and I also still know that uh, the Bitcoin price will in October, yeah, it will go up this month, yeah, this month. Bitcoin glass node, we go to the glass node to see how Bitcoin price, Bitcoin price on chain, Bitcoin price, last node Bitcoin price. This is the information on the glass node about the how far the Bitcoin in the charts we uh, uh, Bitcoin price money. Yeah, here. Return historical of the Bitcoin. Yeah. Ethereum return, Bitcoin return here. Bitcoin monthly return still on the October is grow more than 5.77%. Yeah. It's still go up. And if the end of this month, the end of October, Bitcoin price is hanging around this level around 67 now, 66 to 67,000. Yeah, it's still okay, still good for the Bitcoin. Yeah, because if we compare we still have next 2 months to the end of this 2024, and we we know that Bitcoin price will reach the new all-time high. Yeah, let's see how far can Bitcoin go do the performance on December and November. Yeah, and we also think that it's a time for us to complete the live stream this morning. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, do you have something to share the audience before we complete the live stream? Yeah, maybe Mr. Nicholas a little bit busy. Okay, let me go back to yeah. I think I can hear you, Mr. Nicholas. Okay.
Um, okay, I off my microphone because just now someone was talking at the door.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm doing some video. Please don't talk there.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you all for joining
Yeah.
us. Thank you, Mr. Richard, for covering so much information. And of course, do your own due diligence when you're investing in anything, including
Yeah.
Bitcoin, because there's so much FUD out there.
Yeah.
So let us learn to make good judgment for ourselves. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
and of course, we hope you make some money. We see you in our next live stream.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you in the next